y'all, yeah, so I'm about to call SZA's hotline because I want to know for when I will cry this week, if I can actually use it. So it is it's 808, it's 888-808 oh cry. Okay, let's see. 2R, oh 7 2R. Is she serious?
It's me. I don't want to say much, but I just wanted to say that I love you, and I just wanted to make a space for us to do whatever we wanted to do. I made some meditations if you want to hear them. Some days we can talk to each other, and we can cry together, laugh together, whatever you want to do. But there's some other resources on here for you too. Just let me know what you need, and I'll talk to you soon. I love you. That's my cat, and have a good day. Press 1 for meditation and affirmation. Press 2 for Good Day's acoustic version. Press 4 for the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Press 5 for the Trevor Project, specifically designed for LGBTQ youth. Press 6 for Black Lives. If you are a member of the African diaspora anywhere in the world and you just want to talk to someone who looks like you, I love you all so much. I believe that we can heal together. I just want to be here for you. I love you. Press 1 for meditation and affirmation.
End of the call. I don't know, I'm grateful. Oh, I really love SZA. Like, part of me literally wants to cry right now, like I'm on the brink of tears, but another part of me is just like, that's lame. Okay. I'm gonna not do this. I'm actually working on a couple YouTube videos, so if you're wondering where I am. Been depressed, but I'm coming back. Let me go ahead and say this and not be mean to myself. I was not gonna say something because I'm like, oh, that's so lame, blah, blah, blah. I think like this is super amazing and super important. I do encourage you to use this if you just need to talk to someone. Just like SZA said, if you're going through something and you want to talk to someone that looks like you, especially if you're part of the diaspora, I'm excited to use this. I don't know why I feel lame. I'm not. This is something that's very needed for a lot of us, and a lot of us are going through it. Specifically it. We're going through it. So if you feel lame about calling the number, I encourage you to call it still. There's nothing wrong with reaching out for help, especially if it's provided by one of your favorite artists. So thank you, SZA. I love you, and I'm just really grateful. I can't really process my emotions right now, but I guess I'm gonna end the video here.